Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Last year, Justice G.Y. Chandrachud, he wanted to encourage a young lawyer. It happened on 28/10/2021. I want to tell you, but somehow I have lost sight of the news item. So what he commented is, please remember, young lawyer without brief. Lawyer without brief is Sachin Tendulkar playing without bat. So can he play the cricket without bat? Likewise, without a brief, lawyer cannot argue in the court of law. But in this connection, you have to appreciate Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and others bench in encouraging the young lawyer who was recently enrolled and who came just as a junior to say, Your Honor, kindly pass over, my senior has gone to other court. This much he wanted to tell. But they encouraged him and they have actually made him to speak out a few words. In the meantime, they put some questions for which he fumbled, he answered, and of course, in the afternoon, his senior came and submitted the entire thing. Here, why I am making this video is, there are certain judges who encourage. So that's why I have been always telling, who are judges? They are from legal fraternity. You studied law, he also studied law. Only thing is, at the time of writing exams, yes, he excelled well, he fared well. He has written the exams, he became a magistrate or APP. You are a lawyer. So as far as IQ is concerned, both of you are the same. So therefore, normally, there are certain judges who encourage the young advocates. That should be the spirit. And we have to definitely, of course, I am not that great man to congratulate Sri D.Y. Chandrachud, but definitely we have to express our happiness at least. Actually, I wanted to tell you in the so-called professional ethics classes, 6th semester, but somehow it has been dragging on. So I may forget. That's why I am making this video. Right. On 28/10/2021, so 3 judges bench, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Vikram Nath and Madam B.V. Nagaratna. Actually, they were about to leave, just only 10 minutes time is left for, the bench is about to rise for lunch. At that time, a matter came in which a lawyer, young lawyer, who got recently enrolled, actually, he said his senior has gone to some other court number so and so, and he wanted to pass over the matter. Then Justice G.Y. Chandrachud told him, Yeah, what young lawyer? Have you studied the case files? He said, Yes, I have read the case file. Then, after all, it's a small petition. You can try to argue. Then, actually, he was a literally fumbled young boy. But still, the encouragement given by Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is that you must have done moot court in the college, is it not? So what is moot court? Moot court is where you assume that some case has happened and you argue, one on behalf of the accused or the other on behalf of the state, one on behalf of the plaintiff and the other on behalf of the defendant. You all know well, because you ask your seniors how they fared in the moot court examination. It is just like a court. It is a deemed court or fictitious court. Of course, there will be the judges, they are not real judges, principals and others, they will be sitting on the chairs in the judges area, and you have to come and submit your arguments. The other side has to come and try. That's all. They will give marks. They will not deliver the judgment. This is moot court. So friends, you must have done moot court in the college. So we have got 10 minutes time to rise for lunch. So already I think you said you have read the brief. Then please argue. We know you can argue, no problem. We will encourage, we will support you. We know your case. You can argue. We will help you. So this is a golden occasion for you, man. When your senior is absent, normally you have to argue. Otherwise, your senior will not give you time to argue. It will help you in advancing your career. So such is the encouragement given by Honorable Justice Chandrachud. Yes, he has started. Of course, in the meanwhile, the judges asked him, So cogent, what is the meaning of cogent? He asked. You can start. So he started with the synopsis. Your Honor, this is a case of transfer petition so and so. Then what is cogent? Then of course he could not immediately tell. Then you Google. So he has referred to the Google and he came to know that. So this cogent means rational, convincing, or compelling. So please remember. So likewise, they encouraged him. Ultimately, 10 minutes over, they rose for the lunch. Of course, after lunch, his senior has come, he has submitted the matter. Why I have made this video is, see, judges are there not to curse you. Judges are there not to actually discourage you. They are there to encourage you. There are certain judges, so like D.Y. Chandrachud, because all of you come from the so-called inhibitive stage. Normally, to speak out, that too before the Supreme Court, definitely words will not flow. But if they give this much of confidence, definitely, now he would have become, by 1 year, definitely he would have argued his own case. So such should be the encouragement. Definitely, we have to not congratulate, we have to say our thanks to Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Of course, after 3 months, he will become the Chief Justice of India also. His father, I think he has longest career. I think Chandrachud, D.Y., his father Vishnu Chandrachud, Y.V. Chandrachud. Vishnu Chandrachud, we call him. And he worked for about 7 years also. That is the longest record. I think nobody bet him. I'm not sure. But whatever it is, so judges, if anybody sees this, please encourage the young and budding lawyers. Thank you.